Find a composite function and its domain. Suppose that the f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 4. And g of x is equal to 4x plus 1. Then find find the composition of f and g. For letter A, for letter B, g of x, g of f. We have the solution. For letter A, we have so, kopyahin muna natin ito. Yan yung f of x. 2x squared minus x plus 4. Then si g of x, 4x plus 1. So, sa composition, ganito yung style. Ito si 4x plus 1, i-replace natin yan dito sa x ng f. Katulad nito. 2 times the square of 4x plus 1 minus then another 4x plus 1. Yan. Plus 4. Okay. Before i-distribute yan, kunin muna natin yung expanded form ng 4x plus 1. So, 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. Plus 1. Then 4x. Then 4x. 16x squared. 16x squared plus 8x plus 1. So, copy ang 2. Then, ilagay sa close and open parenthesis ang expanded form ng 4x plus 1, which is ito. Then, distribute. 4x minus 1. Then, plus 4. Okay, start distributing 2 sa 16, 8, and 1. So, 32x squared plus 16x plus 2. Then, minus 4x minus 1 plus 4. Combine the alike terms. So, ganito lang. Since wala mang kaparehas itong 32x squared, just simply copy. Then, ipagsama-sama itong si plus 16x. Then, ito si negative 4x. Then, ito namang mga constant na positive 2 minus 1 plus 4. Then, simplify. Copy 32x squared. Ito, plus 12x. Ito, positive 1. Then, plus 4. So, positive 1, then mag-plus 4. So, plus 5. Ibig sabihin, plus 5. This is now our final answer. And the domain is okay, let's get the domain of the composite function of G and F. So the domain is the set of all real numbers. Lahat ng real numbers. Yan ang ating domain. Dito naman tayo sa letter B. Ito yung solution. Sa letter B, kukunin yung composition ng mga functions. Siyempre, yan. Then, yung G, ito yung isulat. For x plus 1. Then si f of x. 2x squared minus x plus 4. Yung kanina, kung i-replace natin si 4x plus 1 sa mga x ng f of x, ngayon baliktad. Ito naman si 2x squared minus x plus 4 ay i-replace natin dito sa x ng 4x plus 1. So, here is the first step. Kopyahin muna natin itong function ng g of x and 4x plus 1. 4 times, yan, kopyahin yan. 2x squared minus x plus 4. Okay, and then, susunod yan, plus 1. Start distributing. 4 times 2x squared, 8x squared. Then 4 times negative x, negative 4x. Then 4 times 4, plus 16, then plus 1. Combine the alike terms. So, since ang magka-alike term lang dito is dalawang constant, yung 16 at 1. Itong 8x squared and negative 4x, hindi man sila the same. Hindi sila similar. Hindi sila alike terms kasi ito may exponent, ito 1 ay exponent. Yan, hindi sila magkaparehas. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng ipag-combine. Ito lang yung constant na 16 plus 1. Therefore, just simply copy ito, yung mga walang kaparehas na term. 4x, and then you add the 16 and 1 plus 17. Final answer is 8x squared minus 4x plus 17. Now, ano bang domain dito? Kasi, ang hinanap man dito ay domain. So, ang domain natin ay set of all real numbers.